This is how to get the perfect fit when using Kanga Care's Prefolds, a Snappi, a Kanga Care one-size cover, and the Angel Wing Fold. Kanga Care's Prefolds come in 4 sizes. In this demonstration, we are using a size 3 Prefold for a baby weighing 12 to 25 pounds. This is the Angel Wing Fold. To begin, first get your Prefold ready. On your Kanga Care changing pad, lay the Prefold down and fold into thirds lengthwise. This is called a trifold. Then, before laying your little one down, fan out the back of the Prefold to create wings that will wrap around their waist. Place your hand on the front portion of the Prefold to keep it flat and tri-folded. Here's a tip for using Prefolds. Place the Snappi under the edge of the Kanga Care changing pad so little hands can't grab it. The teeth are sharp. Lay your little one on the Prefold. The back of the Prefold should be even with the belly button or a little higher. Once your little one is laying on the Prefold, pull the trifold up between their legs. If the Prefold is a little longer and you have extra material which extends higher than being even with the back, try this step called the belt fold. Once the Prefold is pulled up between their legs, fold the very front of the Prefold down. Once folded, pull out the corners that are tucked inside and spread them open across the little one's tummy and pull the back Prefold wings forwards around the waist and lay it over the front Prefold wing. Grab the Snappi from under the changing pad and hook it to the back Prefold wing that you just pulled forward. Repeat this action on the opposite side, stretching the Snappi across the front of the Prefold and firmly securing the hooks in the opposite Prefold wing. Once both sides are secured with the Snappi, pull the center of the Snappi down and secure in the Prefold between your little one's legs. You have successfully completed the Angel Wing and Belt Fold on a Prefold. Next, it is time to put on the Kanga Care cover, which is your waterproof protective outer layer. Double check your cover to ensure you have it on the correct size setting for your little one. The cover needs to be high enough at their back to cover the top back edge of the Prefold. Grab the cover at the wall gussets and tuck it into the creases of the legs while you pull up, making sure the leg elastic is right in the little one's underwear line and that the Prefold stays tucked in. Pull the tab over and secure it by snapping it in place to the front of the cover. Do the same on the opposite side. After the Kanga Care cover is fastened, make sure the top front elastic comes up over the Prefold to cover it. The next step is unnecessary if your cover is fully unsnapped and on the largest size. If your cover is snapped down on one of the smaller sizes, you want to make sure that the fabric, which is folded over when the cover is snapped up, is pushed up. You can smooth out this fabric on the front by pushing the material that is under the snaps upward with your fingers or thumbs. As a final step, just check that your Prefold is completely covered and tucked inside the diaper cover. You will also want to make sure that all your little one's leg rolls are on the outside of the cover, not trapped inside. Your little one is now ready to go. If more assistance is needed for fit and function, please reach out to hello@kangacare.com.